Welcome to Wealth Way, where we unlock the secrets to creating lasting wealth. The path to financial freedom requires more than chance. It demands proactive steps and seizing control of your life's trajectory. While the wealthy believe in molding their destinies, those less fortunate often feel that life simply happens to them. In this video, we're diving into the 10 actionable steps that differentiate the financially successful from the rest. So let's embark on this journey to transform your mindset and set you on the road to prosperity. The foundation of wealth building is rooted in mastering your spending habits. It's easy to fall into the trap of trying to appear prosperous by lavishly spending on things that offer no substantial returns. Instead, direct your focus towards accumulating wealth by bypassing frivolous expenses. While the occasional treat for yourself is well-deserved upon reaching milestones, habitual extravagance can hinder your progress. As your income grows, the allure of a lavish lifestyle intensifies. But the wisdom lies in remaining disciplined and true to your wealth-building goals. In essence, it's about recognizing the distinction between instant gratification and long-term financial security. Building a robust financial foundation necessitates placing a priority on saving. Your savings serve as not only a cushion for unforeseen expenses, but also as a springboard for wealth creation. By consistently setting aside a portion of your income, you're actively preparing yourself to seize investment opportunities when they present themselves. This financial readiness is akin to having a strategic advantage, enabling you to act swiftly when others might hesitate. Additionally, the habit of saving nurtures a sense of financial responsibility and discipline. It instills in you the patience required to play the long game, where the rewards compound over time. Remember, the act of saving isn't just about setting money aside, it's about investing in your financial future. Now that your foundation of savings is established, the next critical step is investing your money intelligently. However, remember that investing requires a sturdy financial base. Avoid the allure of get-rich-quick schemes. Instead, seek ventures with the potential for sustained returns, such as real estate and stocks. Diversification across different investment avenues mitigates risks. Your goal is to have your money working for you, multiplying over time without your constant intervention. It's paramount to conduct thorough research and exercise caution before entering any investment opportunity to safeguard your capital. By nurturing a mindful approach to investing, you're channeling your resources into vehicles that have the potential to substantially elevate your net worth. Diversifying your income streams is a strategic move that sets you apart on your journey to wealth. Relying solely on a single job can expose you to unnecessary financial vulnerabilities. The modern world offers a myriad of avenues to explore for additional income. Consider starting a side business that complements your main job or capitalizes on your passions and skills. The digital landscape has unlocked opportunities like freelancing, consulting, and online businesses that can significantly boost your financial inflow. Expanding your earning potential safeguards you against unexpected shifts in the job market or economic downturns. Embracing multiple income sources is not only financially prudent, but also aligns with the ethos of adaptability in an ever-evolving economy. Smart wealth building entails optimizing your tax strategy. Minimizing your tax burden within legal limits can significantly impact your financial growth. By taking advantage of tax-advantaged accounts, such as a 401k or a Roth IRA, you're strategically positioning your money to work for you. While contributing to these accounts may incur some upfront tax implications, the long-term benefits far outweigh the immediate costs. These vehicles offer tax advantages that amplify your wealth-building efforts by allowing your investments to grow tax-deferred or tax-free. By embracing this proactive approach, you're maximizing the value of every dollar you earn, enhancing your financial journey. Guided wisdom can propel you towards your wealth-building goals with greater efficiency. Seeking mentorship from those who have already navigated the path you're embarking upon can be a game changer. A mentor's insights offer invaluable shortcuts, helping you avoid common pitfalls and accelerate your progress. Learning from their experiences equips you with the foresight to make informed decisions. A mentor becomes a personal advocate, instilling not just knowledge but also confidence in your journey towards financial success. The company you keep significantly influences your outlook and aspirations. Surrounding yourself with individuals who share your dreams or have already achieved similar goals fosters an environment of growth. Associating with motivated and accomplished individuals encourages you to stretch your limits, amplifying your dedication to financial success. It's said that you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Thus, aligning with those who inspire and challenge you can accelerate your trajectory towards prosperity. Your life partner plays a pivotal role in your journey to wealth. Beyond companionship, a supportive and compatible partner contributes to your financial stability. Together, you can mutually encourage and uplift each other's goals. A harmonious partnership serves as a safe haven during challenging times, reinforcing your resolve to achieve financial freedom. On the contrary, an incompatible life partner can introduce financial stressors that hinder your progress. Selecting a life partner who shares your dreams and values creates an environment conducive to your journey towards wealth. A fundamental truth about wealth is that it's not bestowed upon anyone. It's earned through diligent effort and consistent value creation. Regardless of your background or circumstances, persistent hard work and the cultivation of your skills are the cornerstones of your financial journey. While inheritance can provide an initial boost, true and lasting wealth stems from your determination to create value and contribute to the world around you. Your journey to financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. It's natural to face setbacks and challenges along the way. During such times, it's crucial to tap into your inner reserves of determination and resilience. Reflect on the strides you've made and the successes you've achieved. Celebrate these moments and remember that setbacks are temporary roadblocks on the path to your goals. Surround yourself with positive influences, nurturing a support system that bolsters your spirits and propels you forward. By persisting in the face of challenges, you're solidifying your commitment to attaining the financial security you deserve. As we conclude our journey through these 10 actionable steps, remember that achieving financial freedom is within your reach. By mastering your spending, embracing wise saving and investing, seeking growth through learning and mentorship, and persisting through setbacks, you're carving a path towards prosperity. Each step is a building block, transforming your mindset and setting you on the trajectory to wealth. If you found this information valuable, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. Thank you for joining us on The Wealth Way. And remember, the journey to wealth starts with the choices you make today.